Starting a new business means doing a lot of work, creating a product that your target audience will love and solve their problems, creating a perfect marketing plan and executing it correctly, and many other things. But have you ever asked yourself what is a perfect product for the customers and how you're going to define it? On what basis will you decide how your marketing plan should be and which marketing channel should you focus on? You may think that you can do these things by just simply guessing. But creating a product and creating a marketing plan solely on your understanding may not be a good decision. The best way here is to do market research to help you make the correct decision. Don't know what market research is? No worries, because in this video, we'll explain to you what market research is and the different types of marketing research that you can conduct. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So now, let's first understand what market research is. As per the dictionary, it simply means the study of what people want to buy and why. But if I elaborate it to you, it's research that aims to collect information about the market you want to target, which helps your brand in many different things, like understand what's going on in your target market, see what the perception of the product is in your customers' minds, understand your competitors' growth in the market, and much more. In more simple words, it helps you collect data and get an opinion from your customers, which is much more valuable to your understanding as it enables you to understand the customer's problems and the solution it requires. Now, the market research is the one which is further divided into two different categories, primary market research and secondary market research. So let's just know what these categories are. First, primary market research. Primary research is basically data you get directly from the customers and potential customers. And that is why this type of data actually has huge importance. You either have to collect it by yourself or outsource or hire someone to do so to get this information. Also, let me tell you that the primary research is also further divided into two parts: explanatory research and specific research. Explanatory research is where you find what the problems your potential customer may be facing are. It is good for the product you're looking to launch. On the other hand, specific research is actually in-depth research of information you received in exploratory research. The problems and concerns that exploratory research shows, scientific research will try to research the specific problems. Here, there is a possibility of segmentation of the audience for a more precise understanding. Talking about secondary research, it's basically related to the publicly available research of data. Like primary research is more suitable for understanding the customer of the market and their concerns, secondary data can help you understand the market's general condition. The data used for secondary research are market research statistics, market trend data, etc. This data helps you understand the condition of your market and can also help you analyze your competitors. After understanding the market research and the categories, let's just dive into all the types of market research. The first is buyer persona or customer avatar research. We all know that not everyone will buy a product or service. There will be only a set of customers who will buy a product, and the best way to understand your product's potential customer is by creating a buyer's persona. A buyer's persona is a statistical presentation of your ideal customer in which the demographic, interest, education, and many other things are taken into consideration. And to create these buyer's personas, you need to do the buyer persona research where you find the required details. We have already created an in-depth video on buyer persona, which you can check by clicking the I button in the right corner. The next type is segmentation research. Your ideal customers are not going to fit in just one persona. Hence, there is a need to divide the customers into groups where segmentation research comes into the picture. It helps you create a different segment with different personas where they will have different requirements, interests, etc. The segmentation is done for the same product and various products, which even helps in product creation and marketing. The next is competitor analysis. In a business, keeping an eye on competitors is very essential. You need to know the position of your competitors in the market, and for that, competitor analysis is crucial. It helps you find what your competitor is doing. What do your customers think about your competitor's product? How can you uniquely define your business for more competitors and much more? Another type is pricing research. Pricing a product is a very, very crucial thing. It can make your business and can even break your business. Hence, your brand needs a pricing market research where you find out what a specific product costs in the market and what consumers are willing to pay. You can also find if you can sell a product at less price than your competitors with a considerable profit margin. Customer satisfaction research. To stay in business, it's essential to be fully satisfied with your product. And to know, you can do customer satisfaction research where you find if the customer is happy and willing to buy again from the company. If not, then you have to find the core reason for the dissatisfaction of your customers. You can do this research by carrying out a survey with your customers where you ask them a few questions regarding the product. You can even ask them to rate your product. And that's the video. Now you probably understand what market research is and how important it is for every brand to do market research. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website, papervideo.com. Thanks for watching.